start again. It's a rich thing.
So in our previous video, we have already learned about infinite loop concept. For example, if I write while and then within parentheses if I pass true or any value that is equivalent to true, then this loop will going to execute this print statement for infinite number of times. So let me execute this code. So it is showing like this. So in this video, I am going to make a calculator, and in this calculator, I am going to use this infinite loop concept in a better way. So let me first kill it, and then I'm going to take the operator from the user. So input, and within parentheses I'm going to pass enter your operator like this, and then within parentheses I'm going to pass the operators of addition, comma subtraction, comma division, comma multiplication, comma float division, and exponential. And in the next line I'm going to take the first operand, that is operand 1. So input, enter your operand or first operand like this, and then let me typecast it into integer format. So here I need to write int and then within parentheses like this, and then I'm going to take the second operand from the user like this. So operand 2, and this is second, and then simply just write if else statement for this each of this operand, like if operator equals to plus, then I need to return or print the answer is comma op1 plus op2, so like this. And for the next case, like let me copy it, then cb. So here I need to write elif operator equals to negative or minus, then we need to pass minus, then again. So elif operator equals to division, then let me pass here also division like this, and then if it is multiplication, then here I need to print the multiplication. Let me elif, and then here also elif it is float division, then here also it will be float division like this. And for the and next we have the exponential. So in case of exponential, the operator 1 is nothing but the base, and operator 2 is the exponent. So here we need to write like this, and the default case or the last case, that is print, and then let me pass the message like enter a valid operator like this. So let me run this code. So here it is asking for operator. So let me just give a colon here like this, and now let me print it. So here it is asking for operator. So let me pass plus like this, and then enter your first operand. First operand is 5 and our next operand is 2. So this is our answer. So 7 is our answer. Now here note that after executing for one time, our calculator will be terminated. But here I am not going to terminate this calculator for after executing one time. Rather, I want to make it such a way so that user can decide whether he or she need to terminate this calculator or not. To do that, I'm going to use the infinite loop concept. So let me just cut it, and then here I'm writing while true. So while true, we'll going to execute this calculator program for infinite number of time. Okay, let me make the indentation. Okay, now it is fine. Now if I press enter to execute it, so it is asking for operator. So let me pass float division like this. So enter your first operand. Our first operand is 10 and our second operand is 2. So it is showing 5. And here note that the calculator is not terminated, but it is showing for the next operation. I mean, it is ready for the next operation. But here note that we don't have any control to stop it. So to stop this infinite loop, we need to use a method that is exit, and this exit method is present in sys module. So we need to first import this sys module. So after executing each operation, like after executing addition or subtraction operation, it is going to ask for a value from the user, like b equals to input, and then within parentheses let me pass press enter, press 0 to exit this infinite loop like this, and then let me typecast it into integer like this, and then based on the user value I'm going to take the decision, like if b equals to 0, then terminate the infinite loop. To do that, we need to use the exit method that is present in sys module, like sys.exit like this. And if he or she don't want to exit, then automatically for that also let me let me take a decision, like press 0 to exit or press 1 to continue, like this, continue. Okay, like this. And if the value is 1, the entered value is 1, then it is going to continue for the next next operation, for next addition or subtraction, like that. So here also let me pass a value that is ready for next operation like this. So now let me execute this code. So it is asking for operator, so I am passing plus, and our first operand is 5 and second operand is 6. So it is showing the answer is 11. So press 0 to exit or press 1 to continue. So if I press 1 like this, then it is going to then it is ready for next operation like this. So let me here also pass multiplication like this, then 5, and second operand is 7, so it is showing 35. And now I'm going to terminate this infinite loop. To do that, we need to press 0 and then enter. So now note that, so now we are out of this infinite loop like this. So this is how we can use this infinite loop concept.